Shall we go?
Yeah, cool.
It's called recycling. You didn't want it anyway, you threw it away.
No, I didn't.
I saw you.
What?
It was right after I'd just given it to you.
What, were you stalking me?
No, I wasn't stalking you. I just happened to be behind you when you threw it in the bin.
I hate you.
We're that comfortable with each other. So much so, in fact. We're not even doing anything for Valentine's Day.
1 minute, you're not doing anything for Valentine's Day. The next, you're sleeping in separate beds. And before you know it, she's sleeping with the tennis coach.
She doesn't play tennis.
She'll find a tennis coach.
I don't see what the big deal is.
The big deal is that you are flying in the face of years upon years of established social norms. All couples, no matter how aware of the commercialism of Valentine's Day, dare not break these rules. They are still going to get dinner and a movie. And you think you're above all that.
Shut! It's not a big deal.
Just you wait. This is where it all starts, bro. It all starts crumbling down around you, man.
Shut the like you know anything.
I know more than you. You're not even taking your girlfriend out to Valentine's Day.
You're not taking your girlfriend out for Valentine's Day.
And?
Is everything okay?
Exactly. Thank you.